I went through some really scary parts of town, and was very uncomfortable. I'm glad I got through that. No bike lanes. Had to be on the sidewalk. The sidewalk was, you know, it was there, and then it wasn't there, and it was, you know, uneven, blah, blah, blah. But I got through that, and that was fine. Figured out how to get south from the bridge closure, and had a great night tonight, last night, and got a shower and all that, so that's good. So now, today, I'm headed to Marthasville, which is only 20 miles down the road here. I need to get something to drink and eat since I only had a tortilla and peanut butter last night. After a long day, everything was closed when I got here. So I just carry emergency food, and that was an emergency. So today I'll stop in Marthasville, Dollar General, fuel up, and then I'm going to go down a little bit further. I'm not sure where I'm going to stay tonight, but I will figure it out and let you know. I'll talk to you later. This is a good stop back there, Marthasville, off the KATY Trail. Nice day. It'll get up to 80, but it's not that hot. Just a lazy Memorial Day weekend. I made like 3 trips into the Dollar General store. It's amazing how many calories you burn and how many calories you eat. Yikes, another snake. Gosh, I hate these snakes. I don't know, he's black, he's all black. I don't know if he's poisonous. I'll look him up. I think we'll get cottonmouths in this area, cottonmouths, and oh gosh, the other ones, I don't remember the other ones. We'll leave snakes alone for now. So today 31. So I left my campsite in Defiance. That's Defiance, Missouri. And I headed down to a place called Herman. It's a German town. It's a tourist town. It's very, I don't know, it's beautiful actually. It's a church, and the bells ringing in the afternoon, the clock. Wasn't able to get that. But yeah, I spent some time, got a Reuben tortilla quesadilla. And if you know me, I like Reubens. So this was very good, and had a few beers, and it was awesome. And so they have a city park here in Herman where you can camp, and it was fantastic. It's got electricity. I think it's $15. We'll see. And yeah, so it's good. I'll be sleeping here tonight and heading on to Jefferson City and beyond. We'll see you in the morning. Thanks. Bye. Okay, day 33. I'm in Herman, Missouri, and I'm headed to Hartsburg, another campsite, about 55 miles. Okay, coming into Jefferson, Missouri. Except it's another mile or two to the left. I'm not going that way. Well, I don't know what they are, but they're pretty interesting. Almost asparagus looking, but not. Looks like they've got a little flower coming up on the end. Kind of a warm, muggy day. But when you go through these trees in certain spots, it really feels nice. It's cool. So if you pause in the shade under the trees. Decided to skip Jefferson City and go to Hartburg. They might have a pizza place open, we'll see. Says it opens at 4, but that's the one thing on the trail is you can't count on people being open. Some places only work a couple days a week, and then if you go on a holiday like yesterday was, and the weekend, they close, and then they close on the Tuesday and open up on Wednesday. So it's worked out okay for me though. You just got to make sure you know who's open and when do they close. Hey, so it's early morning. We're in Hartsburg. Got some nice features. Slept in a gazebo last night, and there's not a whole lot here, but it's nicer than a lot of other places. Got some old school homes there. I'm looking for the ball field. I know there's a ball field around here. I'm gonna go check it out real quick and then get back on the road. Oh, maybe not. Okay, I'm here in Hartsburg, Missouri on the KATY Trail, and I slept in a gazebo last night, and next to someone's home. This is okay to do, and I was lucky in that there was one place open. It said pizza and beer. Okay, man, I want some pizza. So I go in there. It's a local joint. Everyone's got their favorite spot. And I sat down, and the guy started talking to me. It was really friendly. Ordered a beer, and then I said, "Oh, you have pizza, right?" And she said, "Yeah, we got all kinds of pizza." And she started rattling off the different kinds. And then I picked my choice, pepperoni, sausage, mushroom, blah, blah, blah. And so she goes to a freezer and pulls out a frozen one. and it's a small one, and heats it up in a microwave. And at this point, I'm going, oh crap, I don't want this. But she served it up, and it was actually okay. So it was a very colorful place, interesting people. I was kind of glad to move on, but you know, a lot of discussion about the Ozarks, and I guess there's a river that people like to boat on. So that was fun. So this is what I look like in the morning with my hair, and the world wants to know what I'm having for breakfast. Okay, well, it's beef jerky. I don't really have. I mean, I could pull out oatmeal and all that, but I'm up. It's like 6:30. I wanted to get up and out of there. There were dogs there barking and all that. But yeah, you know, I need some protein, burn a lot of calories. There's not much out here. I have to look at my my Garmin, see what's and Google it and see what's available. But I think I have enough water, and we'll see. So I'm headed to another town. I'll let you know when I figure out what that is. But it's going great. I see a lot of these, but there's benches that you know, in memory of. And whenever I sit down on one of these benches, I acknowledge that person. So you know, this one was Smiley or Shimley. You know, say hi, Shimley. Thanks for letting me have your bench. And that's how I entertain myself. Painted bright white. It's my life, dogs chasing me. So along the trail, they have this shack. One of these farmers has a shack, and it's on the honor system. So you can go in there and pay for, there's no one in there, but there's prices on Gatorade and Coke, and there's even eggs in there. There might even be ice cream, I don't recall. But so I got a Coke and a Gatorade, and sat down and enjoyed the scenery. So this was very nice.